warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Well,
So here we are to explain about Dixis for submission, semantic and pragmatic major. So I am Tasya Zahra and my friend
Nurmut Mainah.
So Nurmut Mainah will explain about the Dixis. Please.
Thank you, Tasya.
You're welcome.
Well, I will explain about the Dexis. What is the Dexis is? And Dexis is the process of linking through language with deictic expressions or elements, person, time, and place. Jadi Dexis itu merupakan sebuah cabang dari atau unit dari linguistik, di mana dengan rujukan atau maknanya itu ditentukan oleh konteks dengan rujukan ke pemakai bahasa. Jadi, kayak gitu. Dan ada beberapa types of Dexis menurut Levinson 2004. There are 5 Dexis, and those are the first one is person Dexis, special Dexis, time Dexis, social Dexis, and discourse Dexis. Well, the first one is the person Dexis. It refers to the person who the speaker and who the addressee are. Jadi kata-katanya itu bisa ditandai dengan I, you, he, she, it, they, atau we.
Jadi kalau ada kayak nama orang itu pasti nggak pasti juga sih. Tapi udah pasti, iya udah pasti bener. Udah pasti itu person Dexis.
Iya. Jadi pengulangan personal pronoun ya, pengulangan nama atau bukan nama ya, refers ke nama subjek gitu kan, kayak gitu. And next is special Dexis. It describes where the relative location of people and objects are being indicated. It is usually ditandai dengan here, there, this, that, those, kayak gitu. Jadi biasanya kalau ini special Dexis is also called as place Dexis. Jadi merupakan kayak tempat, menunjukkan tempat, menerangkan sebuah tempat di pernyataan atau kalimat kayak gitu. Ya, next is time Dexis. It refers to the current time of spoken. Jadi time Dexis sudah jelas banget. Kalau ini menyatakan atau menjelaskan tentang time atau waktu yang ada pada speakernya gitu. Nah, ini time Dexis itu ditandai dengan kata-kata now, tomorrow, next Saturday, yesterday, this last week atau next week, monthly, year, then, ago, later, soon, or today.
Whenever. Pasti dia menjurus ke waktu.
Yeah. And next is social Dexis. Yes, it's more common than honorifics, which are used by speaker to show respect towards referent. It can only be conveyed by referring to the target or of respect. Gitu. Jadi social Dexis ini tuh lebih ke refer ke social classmate of someone. Jadi kayak misalnya presiden, vice president, state of official, minister, governor, and regency, kinship relation to technical relation or club member. Kayak gitu. And the last one is discourse Dexis. It's similar to the reference or anaphor and antecedent. Jadi bisa digunakan kata-kata yang biasanya ditandai itu dengan kata this, that, or those, kayak gitu. Maybe just like that, and will be explain more about the example
By me.
by Tasya.
Yeah. So we quote the example from Channel News. It's Channel or oh my god, it's
Channel.
It's brand. We quote the example from channelnewsasia.com. There is a statement like this. French accelerated plans on Tuesday, July 16 to make it compulsory to wear protective face mask in enclosed public spaces because of concern about COVID-19. And the Mayen region made it obligatory immediately in several places. So in this statement, we can hear the French word. It refers to social disease. Jadi French-nya itu reverse-nya ke social disease, yang mana French itu adalah group of people who work in government office in French atau Prancis.
Ya, jadi bukan negaranya ya, tapi lebih kepada group of member apa ya di government itu.
Government.
Ya.
Terus di sini ada Thursday, July 16. Ini obvious ya, time disease karena it's explaining about time at that time while this article is published on. Jadi jelas ya, July itu bulan, waktu, hari dan tanggal juga itu waktu. Terus di sini ada dari artikel yang pertama itu dia ada French accelerated plans on Thursday, July 16 to make it compulsory. It-nya ini refers to person disease karena it-nya itu menuju ke personal pronoun of word plans in the front of the sentence, and plans which mean in the article is this statement, wear protective face mask in enclosed public spaces. Dan the Mayen di line terakhir ini, the Mayen region made it obligatory. Jadi jelas ya, the Mayen region itu pasti spatial disease atau place disease yang menunjukkan tempat. Terus di sini ada Presiden Emmanuel Macron said on Tuesday mask wearing would be mandatory in places such as shop from August 1 because of sign of the new coronavirus was coming back a bit. Presiden Emmanuel Macron it's social disease karena dia adalah presiden. Tuesday and August 1 juga it's time disease karena jelas itu waktu ya. Shops it refers to the spatial disease karena shops itu menunjukkan place atau tempat. Terus di sini ada but Prime Minister Jean Castex said on Tuesday the order would take effect next week. Prime Minister jelas itu pasti social disease karena dia punya social class. Lalu ada Thursday dan next week itu masuknya di time disease. Lalu di sini ada until now it has been mandatory to wear face coverings outdoors only and public transport and in public spaces while social distancing is not possible. Until now I think it's time disease karena now menunjukkan waktu. It has been mandatory itu masuknya ke discourse disease. It-nya masuk ke discourse disease. Lalu di sini ada we were considering implementing this measure on August 1 because once again we are acting preventively and not as a matter of emergency. Castex told the Senate. We-nya ini refers to orang-orang di government situ. Jadi we-nya itu masuknya ke personal disease. Person disease. Terus di last sentence, it's written, I have heard and understood that this deadline appeared late or raised some question, so the decree will come into force next week. Next week udah jelas ya, time disease. And this deadline, it's discourse disease.
Jadi di news yang kali ini kita bawain tuh kebanyakan di time disease.
Iya, time disease.
Time disease sama government ya. Karena emang mengacu lagi tentang hal yang benar-benar menyangkut sosial.
Karena beritanya karena faktual jadi harus pakai waktu, jadi lebih banyak time disease.
Okay, next.
Conclusion.
Yes.
So the conclusion is disease is a powerful way of approaching Positioning yourself or subtly amongst the people you want to interact with. Wow. It is very important to note that single lexial items such as I, here, or now are part of highly grammaticalized system and assume addresses knowledge of the identity. In case of I, it is the spatial location, or in the case of here, and the temporal location in the case of now. Yang temporal itu yang now, yang tadi until now itu termasuk time. Tapi itu temporally karena kita nggak tahu kan nyampe kapan, jadi nggak jelas gitu. Jadi now aja. Jadi itu jadi dipakainya buat case-case yang temporal gitu. Terus dari speakernya ya, dari speaker atau dari news atau dari novel, dari kalimat tersebut. And the meaning of the deictic word change with the respect to position of the speaker that address, but the position of the speaker is more important. So for example, come here, go there, and blah blah blah. In the sentences, deictic words here and there indicate the position of the speaker, that they references the concerning the position of the speaker. Person, place, and time can only be understood by an addresses who is able to reconstruct the speaker's viewpoint. So that is the point of Deixis. Today
And
summarize.
this is the end of this video. So thank you for your attention and goodbye. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum.